So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So we are going to solve another question of Leetcode, that is letter case permutation. So in this question it is given that a string s, and we need to written all the possible permutations of uppercase and lowercase letters. So for example, we are given input string s equals to a1 b2. So possible combinations can be A and B both are in small letters, B can be in capital letter, and next A can be in capital letter, and next and the last is that A and B both can be in capital letters. So now let's write our code. So first of all, I'm making a vectors that will store string data type that will return which would be our answer. So that's why I'm giving it a name as ans, and after that I'm going to make another string that is output, which will store the permutations. And now we will call our function, and I'm going to write function name as permutation, and I'll pass ans comma output and a string which is given to us, and at last 0, which would be our index. So now let's write our function. So it will have void return type and permutation vector string percent ons string output string s and int and index. Okay, so first of all we will write our base condition. So base condition, so if our value if the value of the index is greater than equal to size of the string that is given to us, then we will push back output in ans dot push back output, and we will return. Okay, now we need to check the condition whether the index, whether the element at that particular index is an integer or a letter. So for that we are going to make a condition: if index is greater than equal to the 0 and index is less than equal to 9. Eight, 9, then we will we will not do anything. We will just simply push back that particular integer into output variable, output dot push back as of index, right? And we will call our function by increasing our index by 1, output as and index plus 1. Okay, and if the particular element is a character type, that is a letter, then first of all we will push back by converting it into uppercase letter. So for that, output dot push back, and we will use a function as that is called to upper and index. Fine. And we need to again call that function. Okay, and we have pushed back our uppercase letter into the output variable, output string, and after that we have called our function, and we need to pop back our value that we have pushed back. So for that, output dot pop back, and now we need to again convert that uppercase letter into lowercase that we have already converted. So for that, output dot push back to, and for that I'm going to use to lower function so that it can convert from upper index to lower index, and I'm going to again call that function. Okay, great. And at last I'm going to return our answer. Okay, now let's try to run our code. It is showing wrong answer. Let me check. So yes, this is the mistake. We need to check the element, so that's why we will use s of index rather than just index. Okay, now let's try to run our code again, and I hope this would be accepted. Yes, it is accepted. Now let's submit our code. So yes, it's a success. I hope this video helped you to solve this problem, and thank you very much for watching this video.